what's up? My name is Robert. Today I'm gonna walk you through on how to play Melanin, Patoranking featuring Sauti. Well, there are only 4 chords in this song, and it's quite a simple one. So I believe that you should be able to play it even if you're a beginner. As always, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, just feel free to let me know in the comment area. And if you learn from this tutorial, make sure you give me a thumbs up. It really helps with the ranking of these videos. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future tutorials. So with that aside, let's kick off right after this. This song is in the key of D, and the progression is 4, 6, 3, and back to 4. So the 4 is the 4 is G major chord, and then the chord that follows is a B minor chord, which is a 6 chord, and then the 3 chord is F sharp minor chord, and then you go back to the G chord, which is the 4 chord. So this chord, 4 chord G chord, I am using this form of holding a G chord, where I'm using my pointer finger to bar string number 1 and 2 with this part of my finger, string 1 and 2, and then my middle finger on string number 3, 4th fret, my ring finger string number 4 on the 5th fret. So the pointer finger is on the 3rd fret. So and then my thumb, I am muting the first 2 strings, so string 6 and 5 on the 3rd fret. So the reason I am using this chord, this form of G chord to on the G and not this G chord is because I don't want the bass, this bass sound from the bass top strings which have a bass sound. So I'm playing only these kind of high pitched from string number 4 to 1. But you can play also this form of G chord. So both are just as okay. So G chord, the chord that follows will be a B minor chord. So this B minor chord, I'm using my pointer finger on the 2nd fret, fretting string 1, 2 all the way to 5, and then my middle finger on string number 2, 3rd fret, my ring finger string number 4 on the 4th fret, and my small finger string number 3 on the 4th fret. So B minor chord. So it's G, then B minor, and then this other chord will be F sharp minor chord. So this chord is F sharp minor, which I am using my pointer finger on the 2nd fret, fretting string 1, 2 and 3 with my pointer finger, and then my ring finger is on string number 4 on the 4th fret. So that's G, F sharp minor chord. Well, this is a way of holding a minor chord. You can also opt to just play the bar chord form of F sharp, which you bar with your pointer finger on the 2nd fret, and with your ring finger you play string number 5 on the 4th fret, and small finger string number 4 on the 4th fret. So you can either play this form or that. The reason why I use this this form is because, again, I didn't want that bass sound, so I opted for these lower strings. So those are the chords that comprise the progression. So it's G, B minor, F sharp minor, back to G. the strumming pattern that I'm using down, up, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. So this down, up, down, up, down, if you've been following my tutorials, I really use it a lot of the time. It really works with many songs. So G, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, so that's it. That's how you will play this song. It's only those chords, and as simple as that. As always, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, feel free to let me know in the comment area. And if you learn from this tutorial, give me a thumbs up. It will really help with the ranking of these tutorials on YouTube. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future tutorials. So guys, with that, let's see each other on the next one. Ciao.